ZF Race Engineering is doing independent aftermarket, which you can see here, brand SACHS Performance. And on the top level, of course, we are doing also motorsport, international, high-end and national as well. Here you can see the coilover system of SACHS Performance, plug-and-play solution, TÜV certificated. This means plug and play, bring out your oil dampers, bring in the coilover system, very easily to install with your partner, with your garage. The features are that you can adjust the height of the car, of course, to bring it more down to the street, lower. And on the other side, it's a very special development by our engineers that you can adjust the setting by yourself during the parts are installed in the car in pump and rebound within one click. So not separated, pump and rebound, one click for both. This means up to 20 different settings from soft to hard. Good to know also for the tuners outside is that we are offering SACHS Performance clutches. So after chip tuning, for example, you have to use a SACHS Performance clutch because your normal series clutch cannot transmit the torque, the power and the heatness anymore during the lifetime. This means we also developed a plug-and-play solution. You just have to switch the pressure plate, the disc and of course the releaser when the clutch is out already, that you can transmit the heatness and the torque for the next lifetime of your clutch and of your car, of course. This means bring out the pressure plate, bring out the disc, the releaser as well, and you can handle your car as before. You can see that we are offering different materials. In the normal series car, the OEs are using organic material, it's copper, so you can see here. This means you can play with the clutch pedal in the car, but we also are offering cinder. So good to know is the difference between cinder and organic. What are we doing? With organic, you can transmit, as we learned, more heatness, more torque. With cinder, you can transmit more torque and much more heatness. And this is very important if you're going to the racetrack, for example, that you not overheat your clutch. Also good to know is that if your customers are using a rigid flywheel, you have to use discs with these springs.